Hey Secondary 2 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery. So, how was your question yesterday? Okay, let's look at the question again. It is given that the pool in Newton is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Very important, very careful, square of the distance, not the distance, in centimeters from an object. If the pool is 100 newtons when the distance is 5 cm, find the pool when the distance is 2 cm and find the distance when the pool is 25 newtons. So, let me search the answer for you first, okay? The answer is for part A. For part A, the pool is actually 625 newtons. And for part B, the answer is 10 cm. Okay, so if you got both answers right, give yourself a high five and say, you are a math prodigy. Good job. Alright, good job. So, for those of you who didn't get it right, don't worry. Remember, it's all about practicing and practicing and practicing until you get it right. So the most important part about this question is to find the equation. That's basically the main part. After that, you can start plugging in numbers in. All right. So it says that it's given that the pool in Newton. So all you do is write Newton. The pool. This is pool equals to, and you say inversely. Whenever it's inversely, you understand that it's always something like that looks a bit like this: k over x. Okay. Proportional to the square. So you see square, you put x squared of the distance. So in this case, the thing is not an x, it's a d. So n equals to k over d squared. Voila, very simple. So again, I want you to get the concept. All you have to do is write down this. The pool is, when you say inversely, you do it this way. If you see it's directly proportional, you do it this way. And step 2 is then to plug in whatever numbers they gave you. Okay? So n equals k squared. If the pool is 100 newtons, so you find out 100 equals to k over, and the distance is 5 cm, 5 squared is 25. So k is equals to 2500. Can you see that? So k is 2500. So let me just erase all these things again. Okay, so they want you to find out what the pool is when the distance is okay, by the way, k is 2500, remember that. And the distance is 2 cm. Therefore, the next step is actually Newton equals to 2500 divided by d squared is 4. 2500 divided by 4, it gives you n equals to 625 newtons. It's 625 newtons. So that's the first answer. And for the second answer, it's very simple. The distance is, okay, again, just write the same thing down, and you do this is 25 newtons equals to 2500 divided by d squared. So you shift the positions, you cross multiply, that's what they call it, you cross multiply. So you bring this over, you bring this down, you get yourself d squared equals to 2500 divided by 25. You cancel the 25, you get d squared equals 100, and therefore you square root d, you square root 100, you get d equals to 10. And voila! That is the answer. So if you don't get it, if I went a bit too fast, since I'm such a math prodigy, so you know that, right? I'm such a math prodigy. All you have to do is pause the video and then rewind and watch it again. Alright? It's very simple, and just get it right. If you don't get it right, practice it again and again and again until the concept is inside your head. Okay? And today's question of the day is 5 pumps working together can fill a swimming pool completely in 30 minutes. If one of the pumps is out of order, find how much longer it would take for the remaining pumps to fill the pool completely. I remember when I was in Sec 2, I hated this kind of question, but now I know how easy it is. So I know you hate the questions, but it's actually pretty easy. Just remember whether find out what is the equation, then find out whether it's inversely or directly proportional, and you should be able to get it right. Remember, the quote of the week is victory loves preparation. Victory loves preparation. Victory loves what? Preparation. Good job. So, the thing is, right now, what I want you to do is, I want you to remember to keep practicing if you get it wrong. Practice, 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 and make it automatic so that when you go to the classroom, when you go to the exam hall, your scores are automatically A1. With that, I want to say thank you very much for listening. You are a math prodigy. Good job.